Are you excited but also stressed out about your upcoming move to or from Renton, Washington? Three Movers understands that moving is exciting but also very stressful. It's our job to take that stress away by providing assistance in moving where you need it the most. Our professional team can help with packing, loading the truck, getting the truck to the destination, unloading the truck, and unpacking all of your belongings. We have a moving solution for all budgets. We offer local, long-distance, and international moving services to and from Washington State. Transporting a car, motorbike, boat, or other large-ticket items is also one of our specialties. If you need storage, we have options of all sizes and for every budget. Just give us a call at 888-908-6496 to get all your questions answered by one of our friendly customer service agents. Or visit our website, 3movers.com, to get a free no-obligation price quote in just a few minutes by filling out the form online.